Welcome! In front of me I have a Huawei Watch Ultimate, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, you can press the crown button again to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon and tap on it. Here, find the option called Display and Brightness and tap on it. And now find the option called Brightness. But before we tap on Brightness, make sure that the Auto Brightness option is disabled, because if you enable it, the screen will turn the brightness lower or higher depending on the surrounding light, so it will adjust it automatically. But if you want to stay the brightness to stay at the specific level, you need to disable the auto brightness to prevent that. So I'm gonna to prevent the brightness changing the levels automatically, my bad. So once you disable the auto brightness, tap on brightness, and now we can adjust the screen brightness by swiping on the slider. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.